one with Tiger Tribe. And today we're going to open up a Super Mario figurine underground playset.
So what are we waiting?
I have to tell them what that looks like. Guys,
If you want to know what it looks like,
guys, this set, we're going to show you unboxing that another time. But until then, we're going to open this up. Like this one came exclusively with Super Mario figurine.
So
And this one comes with an Ice Mario figurine.
wow, it's different.
You can do a 1-up instead of a coin, and then there's moving blocks. So it doesn't come with a Spiny, Dry Bones, or Koopa Troopa. It only comes with Ice Mario.
Yeah, that's it.
So, and here are other ones you can collect too. Bowser's Castle, the underwater playset, underwater deluxe underwater playset.
You can get anything.
And you can collect underground diorama sets. So this is the Super Mario figurine set. So what are we waiting for?
I've been waiting. I've just been telling you. So we just gonna open it.
So guys, if you're watching this video to see how to put it together, I'm
we
sure
can
you guys
show
are.
you
We're
how.
gonna show you. There's some tape up here.
I'm so sorry. It's gonna take a little bit while.
You might need some scissors.
Oh, just
Be careful with scissors.
oh, they're dangerous. Oh, don't use knife.
You don't need a knife. Don't listen to what she's trying to tell you. Because guys, please don't listen to what she just said. Because don't go into the kitchen and grab a knife. Please don't. That is not.
Don't grab a knife.
Yes, but that's probably not a good idea to say that on YouTube. Okay, so then you have.
So if you want to know how,
So you pull this out. I'm not sure how to get that out.
yeah.
I thought you were going to show me how to open this up, you guys say. Wait.
Hold on.
So guys, I'm not sure how do you open this up? How do you open that up? I'm not sure how to open it. How do you open it? I'll try to. Not even Piranha Plant can open it.
Nobody grab something.
Huh.
That's the only time we could pull it.
Oh, that's it. You just have to.
Wow, that was really good.
Bag one.
Ta-da!
Oh, this is the moving block.
How does it move?
I remember that. I think these play sets are based off of Super Mario Brothers U. And then there's the Super Mario Ice figure
Where is he?
inside this bag.
He's inside bag. Oh!
So guys, if you're gonna want, Dry Bones doesn't really make sense in that set.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't really get why they put Dry Bones. I know that makes sense to have a Koopa and a. You normally find these two in the ground. I forget who that Spiny Top or something.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But if you guys want those two characters, they're right here.
Ooh, look at Ice Mario.
Okay, wait. This guy, it comes with an Ice Mario with his arms up.
He's inside, but I can show you. Right here.
Okay, guys, just like the Fire Mario, he's the same exact size.
But yeah, but except the color.
Yes, his color is different.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, you want to build this?
You're gonna want to unbox him. Hey, Grayson, Aiden Grayson.
Huh? Oh.
I need help.
Yeah. Okay.
We better help him.
How
I
many?
can't breathe in here.
Wow.
Oh no, guys, we have to hurry up. Oh no, I can't get my hands to get through it. Piranha, hurry! Don't worry.
I thought Piranha is be strong enough. Well,
Mario,
you
wait. Where
feet long.
Oh, thank you for rescuing me.
Who is... Okay. So if you look, this is volume... Well, whatever I'm saying.
Whatever you're saying.
This is the block you connect somewhere. Like, I don't know where.
Okay, there he is, finally out of the box. Mario,
He's
move your
the-
head. Are you dead? Okay.
Hey, why is this twins?
They're not twins, but Ice Mario and Fire Mario. There's 2 poses for both of those. Like this one. You can get the diorama set for Spiny and Koopa Troopa. And another one of these and a pipe. So we are gonna put the set together.
Hey, my bro's different. Look.
Did we get all of it out? Yeah, I think.
I
Oh,
don't know.
instructions. We will need the instructions.
Of course we
So
need
here's a picture,
instructions.
and you're gonna need the base plate out.
Yeah.
I think that's cool if you could. I wonder, guys, do you think you guys can? Guys, I was wondering, can you actually connect these? I'm gonna find out. So I'm gonna find out for myself.
I hope you can find out soon.
Base plate, like the.
Like,
Oh my gosh, that thing reflects. Look, it's just the iPad screen. Look.
wow. That's awesome. Video
That was cool. Okay.
Hey, I see. Look.
The ground, another ground, and the moving thing, as you've already seen. So what you do here is you put these guys both with the indent thing.
What is that?
Put them together.
You don't want to just put them good.
Guys, I have an idea. What? I think I know how that. No, I'm not really gonna do that.
Yeah, that's weird.
But I do wish there was a way you could connect these.
Yeah.
That'd be-
we wish.
Wait, is there a way? Oh. Is there... Let's check.
Boing, boing, boing.
Can you connect these? No.
Can it connect
You
already?
cannot connect that.
That's weird. Too bad.
But
Look, you're squishing him.
well, you put your hand under there.
No, you
That's-
squished Mario.
Yeah, it's pretty much your fault. You
I
are
got
putting more-
What'd you say?
the base plate.
I'm not killing Mario.
Alright. I'm not killing Mario. Okay, so you put this in. I had it upside down. Put it in like that.
Whoa, that's a reflection. This is amazing.
I do have an above ground one, like the Acorn Plains one. I don't know where it is. We got it at GameStop, but I don't know where it is.
Ooh. Ta-da!
You turn. I have to turn it around and make so it looks right. Okay, there.
Wow.
Then put this piece right in the.
And find that extraction right.
I'm not sure what this is. Oh, the moving platform. Or is that? Yeah, no. The blocks. Here's one block. So you're gonna put the one with the one up in it up here. And this up here.
Let me put my G-shirt and my overall. Do my hair, my shoes. Call my monster. Oops. Got the singing. And just think about something. Hey, look. Mushrooms. See that? You can Let me go.
I got it.
Oh, we lucky. Dad.
And so that's the end of our video.
Bye.
This set is like really cool. Actually, guys, this is.
I'm so glad when I